everyone, welcome back. I am making a series on Django CMS, and in previous videos we have seen how to install and set up Django CMS. We have learned how to integrate customized templates in Django CMS project. We have used inbuilt Django CMS plugins in our website, and we have seen the use of placeholders in Django CMS. We have also created some customized Django CMS plugins for our own website. And in the last video, we have integrated a rich HTML text editor in our website to edit our poems. And in this video, we will use all these concepts and create a wonderful poetry blog website. You can see that we have already started making this website look like a poetry blog. But now we will actually add some poems on our website. And we will also see how to create new pages and sub-pages as a content user. First of all, we would like to create 3 main pages. One for English poetry, one for Hindi poetry, and one for Marathi poetry. So, click on this example.com and click on pages. Here you get the list of all the pages you have, and even you get the list of every model you have. You get the list of your users. We have 2 users right now. Then we get the list of our page types. We can create new page types here. We can create new pages and many more. So, let us create new pages for our website. Click on new page. The title of our page will be English poetry. We'll write the similar title here. And save this. You can see that a new page is created. Now, let us create another page for Hindi poetry. I will write the same thing here as well. And save this page. And let's create a last page, Marathi poetry. Type the same thing here. And save this page as well. If you close this, you can see we are on Hindi poetry page, and we can see our page like this. Now you know what's the problem. You know that we haven't activated any template for our newly created pages. So first of all, we will create a template for these pages. You can see that I have already added some HTML and created this template for my pages. So let us use that only. I have created poetry page.html template and added this in settings.py file here as poetry page template. So let us go back and search for that template in our template section and activate this poetry page template for this page. And now you can see that this is the Hindi poetry page template. Now click on English poetry and again repeat the same thing and activate poetry page template. And I will do it for one more time. You can choose any other template as well, but I will keep the template for all the poetry pages same. For home page, I have chosen another template, and for other pages we have a poetry page template. So for now we don't have any poems on our website, so we would like to add the poems and we would like to add some sub pages on this particular page. So just click on this and click on this plus button, and here you can see we are creating a new sub page for English poetry. So the first page I would like to add a poem, and I would like to dedicate a sub page for a particular poem. So let us search for English poems, and for now just copy the one we like, but this is for the demo purpose only. You can add your own poems and you can even use the famous poems, whatever you want on your website. So this is the poem, The Red Wheelbarrow, and copy this. I will paste this title. I will paste it here as well and save it. Okay, so now you can see that we have a page with the poem title. Now let us see how it looks. You can see here under English poetry page we have the newly created page. Just click on that. For now we don't have anything on this page, so we would like to create a poetry plugin which we have customized in our previous video. So I will search for our plugin, and here it is. I will add the title of this poem, and I will copy this poem from here and paste it in the body of our plugin. I would like to add some background color as well. Let's keep it light and save this. And you can see our poem is loaded here. We can even add few more poems on our English poetry page. So let's do that. Click on pages, and here click on this plus button. I will find another poem to add. Let's copy this and paste it here. I will copy this poem, quite a big poem. So let us copy everything we have. Okay, yeah, let us copy the poem till here only and paste it. Save this page. If you close this, you can see we have another page here. Open this page, and we don't have any poem on this page, just the template is loaded. And now we would like to add that poem here. Let's search for poetry plugin. Add the title of our poem, The Waste Land, and paste our poem here and save this. You can see our poem is looking good. So yes, now let us add one or two poems in our Hindi poetry page. For that I would like find some Hindi poems. Let's find by Harivansh Rai Bachchan, and here it is. So let us create a sub page for this poem first. Click on Hindi poetry and click on this plus button at the title. So we would like to add this title in Devanagari script only. We need to add this manually now. Paste the page title here and save it. Close this. Now you can see this page. I would like to add the poem. Paste the title and copy this poem. This is quite a big poem. So let's copy this and paste it here and save this. You can see the poem is looking nice and clean. And one more thing you must have noticed, that we can have a multilingual support without using any external plugin for this. So this is one of the main features of Django CMS. I will add another poem in the Hindi section. I will just copy this title and let's create a sub page. Paste this. Paste it here as well and save it. I will copy this poem copy this and add a plugin. Paste it here. Copy this and save this plugin. And this is the poem we want. I will do the same thing for Marathi poetry, and I will add 2 more poems. You can see that I have added Marathi poems as well. So in this way you can add as many pages as you want in your website. If you are using Django CMS as a content user, then this is a very simple and easy to use frame. You can create your own beautiful website out of it. So this is it for this video. I hope you find Django CMS interesting and useful. And thank you so much for watching this video.